Hey my juicy and strong goddess! Today I will teach you the best breast massage ever. Your breasts are the crown of your female energy. They're the oxytocin factory. Oxytocin is such an important hormone. It flushes out all the stress hormones in form of cortisol, adrenaline out of your body. Oxytocin makes you younger, makes you more magnetic, makes you more loving, more happy, more connected with yourself and with others. Breast massage is so important also for our lymphatic flow. In this area, so much of lymph is being stuck. And if we don't flush this stuck lymph out of this area, well, our breast tissue can start to get problems. This breast massage will make your breasts fuller, perkier, more beautiful. But also it will connect you with yourself. A woman who massages her breasts is shining. A woman who massages her breasts is magnetic. This is why all the ancient mastresses of Tantra, of Taoism, called the white tigresses, they massage their breasts daily, and this was their secret for a true anti-aging. The ancient women who were regularly massaging their breasts were known for their eternal beauty, and they were called the eternal, immortal mastresses. This breast massage will also open up your thymus gland and your heart, the second switch of your immune system. Every time that we women massage our breasts, yes, we create a lymphatic flow. We rejuvenate our lymphatic system, but at the same time, we stimulate the production of oxytocin and we stimulate the proper functioning of the thymus gland. And the thymus gland is your main immunity switch, your main juiciness switch. So for us women, massaging our breasts should be a daily practice for our health and for our emotional well-being. I'm just about to be 40 and I really love to do breast exercises. I combine them also with my jade egg practices, which I will teach you all of this. But really now, being 40, my breasts look much better than when I was 18. And I'm so connected with myself every time that I massage my breasts. Every time that you massage your breasts, you're opening up your heart. And you're opening up your magnetism. And you're more connected to the universe, to your purpose, and to your inner beauty. So, let's do this practice now together. First, make your hands really, really warm. What is important to know that every time that you massage your breasts, your energy is multiplied. So it is really important that you massage your breasts when you're feeling good, when you're feeling calm. And if you are not at the moment, do one of the other exercises that I already taught you in Juicy and Strong Immunity Beauty Bootcamp. Like do a breathing technique or maybe a juicy face lifting exercise to release your stuck emotions, to lift up your vibration and your energy, and then go to breasts. Because if you massage your breasts while you're feeling really bad or angry or impatient, this energy will multiply. This is really important to understand. But if you're feeling good when you're starting to massage and during the massage some emotions will start to rise, this is okay. Just breathe through them. They will just pop like bubbles. Okay? So first of all, this is the most important. Make your hands warm. Open up your palms and just open your heart. Feel the energy, the chi on your hands. No matter if you're still in your cycle or if you're in your second spring, this is how the Taoists call the menopause. You're a cyclic being and your body is still sending the best energy, the best nutrition towards your breasts every single month because your body is preparing to feed the baby. So in Taoism, they say that if a woman understands the process of body sending all the best energy towards the breasts every month, and if the woman massages the breasts regularly, then she uses this energy for her own rejuvenation. So this is the true secret of a breast massage. It's not only for lymphatic flow, not only for making your breasts more beautiful, which they will be, you will see. Don't believe me, just do the exercise and you will see when the fresh blood will come to your breasts will become so much juicier, so much younger. But when you do this massage, also all this energy will become available to you. You can use it to feed your organs, to feed your energy field, and to be even stronger and even juicier. Okay, feel the energy, the chi on your palms, and now touch your breasts and just connect with them. For us women, it's so important that we connect with this area. Feel your heart opening. Feel a spiral in your thymus gland. Feel your face starting to shine. The more you will massage your breasts, the more you will shine. And now start to circulate your breasts inside towards your thymus gland 36 times. And just breathe. What is important is that your breasts move. Don't be too strong, but don't be too gentle. You need to massage the tissue inside 36 times. You can put the tip of your tongue on the roof of your mouth and you can lift up the corners of your mouth. If you see a woman and the corners of her mouth are turned downwards, this means also that her breasts are sagging. So later on, we will learn how to massage our breasts and train the corners of our mouth and train our ovaries, our uterus at the same time to create the strongest lifting effect possible. You breathe, massage. If you feel any emotions wanting to be released, just exhale and feel the space, how your heart is opening, your thymus gland is opening. Make your hands warm again. Feel the chi. Feel the energy between your palms. Open your heart. And now, counterclockwise. Massage outwards. Outwards. 36 times. Massage the whole tissue. And breathe. You are providing circulation in the crown part of female energy. Just connect with your breasts. Breathe deeply. This is the best meditation possible. I always slowly move also with my body when I do this. You can do what feels best for you. But feel the tissue of your breasts being massaged. Now put your hands on your thymus gland and make a spiral with your hands, clockwise and counterclockwise, 9 times to save the energy that you just produced, and counterclockwise. Feel the warmth, the gentleness of this beautiful energy. You can also imagine pink color caressing your breasts, and just love your breasts. And this last part, Master Mantak Chia taught me. He said, your body is always listening to everything you say to your body. So you better say all the good things and the body will do them. So he said, a woman should tell her breasts every day. She should hold them like this and say, up, 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 up. This is like anti-gravitation trick to tell your breasts, hey breasts, up, 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 up. I know it's funny, but it works, really. Me being 40, my breasts are like super young, and like I just love them. They're a part of me, and I really hope you love your breasts and you give them as much love as possible. And the more you will do this massage, maybe at the beginning you will feel certain resistance or something, but the more you will do it, the more you will love yourself. And I think this is the hardest part, to love ourselves, right? But when we do it, our body just rewards us with so much energy and so much peace. And I really hope you will massage your breasts, the crown of your female energy. And I cannot wait to teach you even more breast exercises. I know many of them, but this one is just like the starting point and something that is so nice and so beneficial to do every single day. Sending you so much love. See you soon.